Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G51, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle. Now for me it's right over here in the bottom left corner. This is the default orientation of the toggles, so if you haven't changed the orientations of yours, they should be in the same place. Now once you find the toggle, before you actually tap on it to enable it, I do recommend you to hold the toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings where you will be able to customize it. Now this is what I would recommend doing the first time around. Later on you don't need to do that ever again once you have changed the settings. So going over the couple options in here that we can find, we have exceptions for people, for apps, and alarms and other interruptions. So going into people, we can select who can call us and who can message us during the Do Not Disturb mode being enabled. And additionally, in the calls, apart from being able to select the types of people that can call you, so we have shared contacts, which are favorites. We have contacts, which means anybody that is in your contact list. Anyone, which just allows anybody to call you, defeating the purpose of this. And none, blocking everybody. So those are the default options, but you do have this as well. So allow repeated callers. So if the same person calls a second time within the 15-minute period, they will be completely bypassing your Do Not Disturb mode. So as an example, right now if it's set to none, theoretically no one should be able to call me. But if they meet this kind of requirement right here, they will completely bypass this option and just reach me without a problem. Now for messages, we have the same thing as calls minus the repeated callers. And when we go back, we have apps. Obviously you can select what kind of apps will bypass the Do Not Disturb mode, and additionally alarms and other interruptions. So you can go through those and customize them. And in here we have schedule, which we have a couple options for schedule that come preloaded. So we have sleep and event. Now by tapping on it, you will enable it. By tapping on the gear icon, you can see how it is set up. So for event we have for calendar apparently, and then what I haven't actually ever looked into the event, so I don't know how exactly this will work. It looks like you have to use calendar to set it up in this case, but if we go into the sleep one, this one is more straightforward. So in here, as you can see, we have days of the week that it will be running in. Then I have start time and end time. So because this is for sleep, it will start at 10 p.m. and run through the entire night up to 7 a.m. and then it will automatically turn off. So you can use this. You can also edit it to be a little bit more customized to your need, or you can just create your own new one if you want to. Now when you use the schedule mode instead of just a hard toggle, all you need to do is make sure that it's enabled right here. That's all you need to do, and it will turn on and off on its own. And for everybody else that wants to use the Do Not Disturb mode just at some point without actually having it set up as a schedule, to enable it, instead of holding the toggle, all you need to do is click on it once you went and set it up. So right now it's active, and once you're done with it, you can tap on it again to turn it off. So there we go. If you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.